Good morning, Jake.
Good morning, Bob.
Good morning, all.
Good morning,
Good
Bob.
morning, Bob.
To start the meeting, Jake asked me to show an old video clip of our maintenance inspection process way back in 2006, long before Mary was CFO or Scott headed up sales, and before I became VP of maintenance.
Believe it or not, just 10 years ago, we were still using paper, clipboards, and visual inspections. This video is a good reminder, though, of just how far we've come since we started working more closely with GE. It has really reduced our maintenance costs and increased our fleet utilization.
And might I add too, Jake, that those changes are the primary reason that our top customer rated us as their most reliable carrier this year.
You got it, Scott. And as you all know, our customer satisfaction is our #1 goal. The turning point for me came way back in '06 when GE Equipment Services came to us with a total fleet solution for all of our maintenance issues. Their Trailer Fleet Services division gave us real-time maintenance data from their digital yard. They helped us through the learning curve on sensors and their asset intelligence model for trailers. They even hooked us up with Penske for our tractor maintenance.
10 years ago, it was all about getting access to information and analyzing data to make better decisions. GE's ability to quickly deliver critical engineering data for our fleet was really essential in helping us keep costs down.
When a trailer pulls into the yard, GE's hands-free data reader instantly retrieves the self-diagnostic data feed, showing tire and brake wear, shipment weight, contents, cargo movement, electrical system status, and roof and sidewall integrity.
It also improved our ability to keep our drivers on the road and reduce costs.
GE's real-time data also tracks maintenance costs to specific drivers and identifies other factors like road conditions. The driver data has helped us reward our good drivers and also identify those drivers who keep damaging our trailers and who may need more training.
Both of which have controlled our costs and provided a nice boost to our profit margins. And GE's international network of maintenance branches cut our need to have a parts inventory. That partnership was a big win.
GE allows us to focus on our core competency, on-time delivery.
Jake, speaking of real-time data, you can see on the screen that a freak storm just dropped 10 inches of rain in southern Texas right by the main interstate. We're getting reports now from 7 trailers with leaking roofs and tractors that may have to have their brakes inspected.
Was it the drivers that called us about that?
No, they're too busy navigating their way through the severe weather. The trailers are telling us. They have the predictive maintenance feature in GE's VeriWise trailer device. It's alerting other drivers in the vicinity to avoid certain highways because of congestion and flooding. Now, this is cool. Since VeriWise is network neutral, it automatically switched to the satellite network when the public Wi-Fi networks went down in the wind and the rain.
Having an integrated maintenance and supply chain partner really solves a lot of problems.
GE just dispatched mobile maintenance mechanics to the next exit location to check out our units and get them safely back on the road.
I thought this weather event just happened.
It did. I received an update on what GE is doing to fix the problem on my PDA. They can also swap out a trailer at our depot that will need more time for repairs.
They did all that?
They did. And we found the nearest replacement trailer across the border in Mexico. RFID and sensor technology allows us to communicate with the Border Patrol and allows them to know that the truck is secured across the border, which means little waiting time.
All these benefits add up. In 10 years, we've cut our trailer-to-tractor ratio and still been able to meet our customer demand. Hard to believe we've grown 10% year over year without having to increase our capital investment in equipment.
And there is no way that we would have been able to acquire both Bosley Logistics and Kenstar International without that improved financial performance.
GE had total fleet maintenance contracts with both those companies as well. So it made the integration of our maintenance and supply chain information virtually seamless.
Well, boss, that sounds like a pretty good overview of how technology has helped us reduce costs and increase productivity over this past decade.
And in addition to helping us fund our new $300 million hub, our GE service agreement is one of the reasons that I, your humble boss, is going to be able to make his 3 o'clock tea time today and test out my new Terillium golf balls. So thank you, everybody, and keep on trucking.